In this problem, we'll approximate solutions of a quadratic equation. The equation we're looking at is x squared minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. We first need to solve the equation, and we can solve it either by using the quadratic formula or by completing the square. To complete the square, we write x squared minus 4x, and we add 10 to the other side, or to both sides. And then we add a number here that will complete the square. The number that will complete the square is found by taking half of negative 4, which would be negative 2, and squaring it, which would be 4. We add 4 then to both sides of the equation, and then the left side factors as x minus 2 squared, and that equals 10 plus 4, or 14. Then our solutions are, using the principle of square roots, we know that x minus 2 equals the square root of 14, or x minus 2 equals the opposite of the square root of 14. So x equals 2 plus the square root of 14, or x equals 2 minus the square root of 14. The two solutions then would be 2 plus the square root of 14 and 2 minus the square root of 14. Those are exact solutions. To approximate them, we need to use a calculator. And I'll show the calculator strokes for doing this. We have 2 plus the square root of 14. Using this calculator, that would be 2 plus, the square root sign is above the x squared term, so we press second and the x squared term. It gives us a square root sign and a parenthesis. I type in 14, close the parenthesis, and press enter. This gives me a long number, 5.74165737. I'm asked to approximate to the nearest tenth, so I round that to 5.7. And I write that is approximately equal to 5.7. I do a similar thing to find 2 minus the square root of 14. I press 2 minus the second x squared term, gives me the square root and a left parenthesis. I write 14, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Rounding this to the nearest tenth would be negative 1.7. So I write that this is approximately equal to negative 1.7.